Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to schedule Gmail messages in the future. This is a really cool feature. It works no matter whether you're using a Windows, Mac, or Chromebook, no matter what type of browser you're using. It could be Microsoft Edge, could be Chrome or Firefox. It's a fantastic feature and it's really easy to use, so let's get going. So here's the situation. I have an email that I'm sending to Nicole, and the subject says, please bring samples to the meeting on Thursday. Today is Wednesday, and what I want to do is I want to set up this email so it shows up in her email box tomorrow morning. And the reason is because I'm afraid if I send it right now, it's Wednesday afternoon, she might get a whole bunch of emails in between now and the meeting, and she might forget all about it. So this will be like the first thing she sees when she opens up her email tomorrow morning, and then hopefully she'll remember to bring the sample. It's so simple. Compose the message. You should see a send button like this. Don't press that. Press the arrow, more send options, which is just to the right. Click on that. Select schedule send. So it will give you some defaults. The defaults that I always get, it's tomorrow morning at 8, tomorrow afternoon at 1, or Monday morning at the next Monday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. So what I usually do actually is I pick a date and time because I might want to be more precise than that. So I'm going to select tomorrow. And I'm going to select, change the time to, let's say, 9:18 a.m. because the meeting's at 11, so this will give her some time to prepare, and she'll see it like when she starts work at 9. And then I would say, schedule send. So the meeting is scheduled, it's ready to go, and she will get it at that time. So this is a fabulous way, for instance, if you don't want to bug people on the weekend, if you're working on the weekend, just set it up to send on Monday morning. It's, I think, a really, really fantastic tool and so easy to use. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, you can check out some of our guides or also go to in30minutes.com, click on the blog, and you can see blog posts and videos and whatnot. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or subscribe to me on YouTube. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.